Hey guys, on today's project I'm going to show you how I installed this doorknob here, real simple, for a bathroom remodel project that I'm doing. So with that being said, let's get going. Alright, so here is the bathroom door where we're going to be installing the Kwikset hardware you're seeing there. Once you open the box, you're going to see all the components right there, and the first thing you're going to need is the latch. So grab that and then put it in the chiseled portion of the door in the orientation where it's going to close. As you can see, it's centered pretty good right in the middle there. If it's not, what you do is you take this thing right here and then slide it forward. So you see how it just got longer there? So you slide it up and then up and slide it out and make it a little bit longer, but ours was good in the original orientation, so I'll slide that back and put it right there. So now the orientation's correct. It should close appropriately right there. Okay, at this point, grab 2 screws out of the hardware bag and a Phillips bit and your drill, and go ahead and drill in those 2 screws, being careful not to over tighten. Next up, you're going to want to go ahead and grab your strike plate, and then grab 2 more screws from the hardware bag, and then you're going to go ahead and tighten that to the chiseled portion of the door frame. Again, careful not to over tighten. Just test it real quick. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay guys, so the next step right here is to go ahead and install this piece. But as you can see, the orientation here very clearly is incorrect based on the orientation there. So here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna go over here, you're gonna take this huge Allen wrench that these come with, you're gonna go over here and you're gonna loosen this to the point where you can take it off and adjust the orientation as you need to get it correct. So here I am loosening the other side of the handle so I can get that off, and then I'm adjusting the orientation of both sides such that it is correct with what is prescribed in the manual there. Okay, and once you have the orientation correct for both sides, go ahead and grab the Allen wrench and tighten up, again, both sides of the handle. Now at this point, we're gonna go ahead and install it there. Okay, so now to install the handles, you're going to take one side of the handle and go ahead and insert it through the latch in the correct orientation. You can hit the push button there to create more clearance to actually insert the handle through. Okay, so what I'm showing you here is the exact same step, but from an alternate angle. So again, hit the push button and then insert one side of the handle through. And then at this point, you're going to adjust the other side of the handle. Once it clicks and goes through, you'll see it come together. And then you're all set to actually install the final set screws. Okay, so give the lever a test or two to make sure it's working properly, then go ahead and grab your 2 set screws. Go to the side of the handle that has these set screw openings and go ahead and insert them on both sides of the handle and just kind of hand tighten it. And the final step here is to go ahead and grab a Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and tighten either side of the handle. One side's going to be really easy, and then you're going to need to move the lever out of the way when you do the other. But once you hand tighten those, the installation is pretty much complete. Double check your orientation, give the lever a couple tests, and if everything's working fine, you should be good. This is our fully installed handle. Let's give it a shot, see how the close works. Perfect. Opening, closing, boom. Should be able to push closed. Pretty happy with it. So there's our final installation, and thanks for watching. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If the video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more DIY projects like that. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway for a $100 Home Depot gift card, so definitely subscribe if you want to be a part of that. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.